Hello everyone and welcome to Nomad Programming. Today will be a short video, hope you enjoy it. So in my previous video I have explained that HTML creates a hierarchy in a structured manner and that will give many advantages to the web page. Another important part of the hierarchy that will add a better structure referred as the family tree. HTML has its own family tree. The elements can be formed as a tree to describe the structure. Understanding the family tree is important. It will help the developer to organize the code, especially the CSS. When it comes to styling the elements, you will see how learning where to place these CSS styles will make it much easier to handle endless errors. I will be explaining that point in detail further in this course. Now, as you can see, the screen I have written a simple code and transform it to the chart you see. This presentation of the family tree for the simple code we have. In HTML hypertext markup language, there is no specific element or called ancestor. Instead, the term ancestor is a concept used in the context of the document object model DOM, which is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. In the DOM, each element in an HTML document is represented as a node in a tree-like structure. The relationship between nodes is described in terms of parent, child, and sibling nodes. An ancestor refers to any node that is higher up in the tree hierarchy relative to a given node. Specifically, it refers to the parent, grandparent, great-grandparent, and so on of a particular node. In this chart, you see we have the body element as an ancestor. The term descendant refers to any element that appears inside another element at any level within the document object model. In other words, a descendant is a child, grandchild, great-grandchild, and so on of a specific parent element. In the chart here, we have all the elements that are under the body, which are the section and the h2, the div, and the images. All are descendants. The term parent refers to an element that contains another element in the document object model. In other words, a parent element is the immediate enclosing element that holds one or more child elements. We have the article on this chart as the parent. The term child refers to an element that is directly nested inside another element within the document object model. In other words, a child element is contained within a parent element. As you can see, we have H1, which represents a child. The term sibling refers to elements that share the same parent element within the document object model. In other words, sibling elements are elements that are the same level and have the same parent element. As you can see on the chart here, under the div element, we have the siblings images. We have reached the end of today's video. I hope it was useful. See you all in the next video.